Hello guys, welcome to Denshine. Today we'll introduce you a multifunction sonic tooth stain eraser. I'm in the auto tooth plaque remover. Now I will show you from the following aspects: the package, specification, and usage. Firstly, the package. It includes sonic teeth whitening stain eraser handle, and a soft head, cleaning head, pushing head, and a battery. And the specification: high-speed sonic vibration up to 30 sounds times per minute to remove tartar and massage gums effectively. Bright LED illuminates to make sure clean teeth preciously. Comes with 3 different adjustable grinding heads, easy and convenient for using. So how to use this sonic plaque remover? Firstly, turn on the button. Now the LED light comes back on. Then press the button again. It will work and vibrate, and it will switch off automatically without operating 3 minutes. Then how to change battery? If the motor moves slow or the LED light is not bright, maybe the battery is flat. Please change this new one. Now let me show you. Rotate the battery cap anti-clockwise. Open it and take out it. Follow the sign of the battery which displayed on it and insert the new one. The cap clockwise and close the battery cap, then it's down. So how to change the head? The product can also change head for different use. Pull out the head and insert the other one. Then we made it. So those are all about the auto tooth plaque remover. Thank you for watching this video. Any questions, please feel free to contact Denshine. Bye bye.